Hello, I'm back. PatchOneStripe.com TV replacement parts for your full line of replacement parts, stands, remotes, boards, LED strips, etc. Today, we're looking at a Sharp TV. It's a LC52LE 6400. Now the reason why this particular unit is of importance to me to go ahead and shoot this video on the move is because I have encountered 3 TVs that was Sharp with this same problem or a variation of it. But the commonality is the solution to the problem. The first set that I got in here that really helped me ID the problem with these particular newer model Sharp, this set came in dead set. The customer informed me that the set had been intermittent on and off for some time, and then it just finally went off. Well, lucky for me, with me checking the power supply board, and I found a Schottky rectifier that was dead, that was shorted, that was totally shorted. Okay, so upon finding a replacement for it, and actually I went up on the specs for that particular Schottky rectifier. I replaced it. The set returned to normal function. That's been about now going on about 9 months, and I haven't heard anything from it anymore. So that was a good fix. So the second set that came in, beautiful set, beautiful picture, of course, being a Sharp. It would play for maybe an hour and just shut off. And then you go and turn it back on and it'll play for a while, might play 2 hours, and then it'll shut off. So with that particular unit, I just did some thinking about what the problem may be. I tried some things thinking that it may have been the main board, because I replaced the main board and it worked. It came on, worked fine, stayed on constant. It didn't last long. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a week, maybe a month, and it was back in my lap. Okay, so I'm still trying to work that out in my mind, but I'm going back to that first set with that Schottky rectifier in it that I replaced and didn't get it back. So this is the third set that we're looking at right now. And the owners of the set, well, they informed me that it had a bad lightning storm and this, that, and the other, and I believe that the main board, a surge came in and destroyed the main board. I'm like, well, okay, we could go with that. We could follow that lead, and we followed that lead, and only to find out that I was getting all the voltages that I should have been getting on this particular set. I was getting up here on the LED strips power. I had 100 and something volts standing, without the set coming on, because I couldn't get it to come on. And I was getting my 13 volts and 5 volts and 3 volts over here at this connector. And by the way, here's the voltage legend for it. And I'm saying, well, this power supply, it seemed to be okay. Now, I initially powered the set up and it wouldn't come on. And I also did some checks over here and everything seemed to be okay here. So, upon just taking your traditional things, taking the power supply board off the set, every place you got heat sinks and your transformers, you're looking over for cracked circuits, maybe bad solder joints. I didn't see any. I plugged the set back up and the set came on. To my surprise, it came on. So this theory about a voltage surge hitting the main board, that was all wrong, because it's nothing wrong with the tuner. Everything is fine there. So now what I'm doing is I went through this board to look for this Schottky rectifier, and I found one. And this is it here. The location on this particular one is D958. And the board number, this particular board number is RUNTK931WJQZ. So, without finding no bad circuits, cracked circuits, or anything, in which I went on ahead and touched on things around transformers and around some of the diode, the voltage regulators and stuff like that, which, you know, some things a technician normally would do. I went ahead and changed this rectifier and return this set back into service. So I'm making this video because this could be a tough set for people out there, and it's a beautiful set, good picture, and you just hate to trash it and give up on it or throw a lot of money on it trying to repair it, when it could be this simple, you know, $1 or so rectifier there. Okay? And that's about it. I wish I could tell you more. I had more elaborate things and eloquent things as far as technical talk to say about this set. But that pretty much wraps it up. And you can look forward in the future to getting more of these spontaneous videos, and it may have the introductions, may not. The main thing, we're going to start going forward with some information. As fast as I could get it, I'll put it out there. When I'm running into things, I'll put it out there. And that's about it. Remember again to give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and it helps you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. And again, we've added a donation button to our videos for you guys out there. We do some things that help you out, whether you're a consumer or a tech. I mean, show me some love. You know, might want to shoot me a donation. You know, that's what the button for. And because I'd appreciate it. After all, I spend a lot of time, believe me or not. I try to answer everybody call. I try to respond to everybody text. And that's just how it is. And, you know, if you can't and it's helping you, don't worry about it. You know, still, tune me in, still, just call me. It's all good. I'm here to help serve. I've been doing this a very long time. I enjoy doing it. And it's my pleasure to serve. Okay? And with that being said, you already know the deal. Patch One Strike, TV repair parts. We out of here.